Are you one of those people when you are asked to deliver your 30-second or your 60-second pitch at a business meeting that the wheels just keep turning and you're not sure about what you're going to say next? Well, I give you this, you are not alone. I guarantee everyone in the room is doing exactly the same thing. So it's really important that you have some form of structure that you can relate back to, even if the story or the pitch changes each time, that there is a structure. So start with the problem that you solve and how you solve it. So highlight how you help people solve their problems, and then end with an outcome, maybe a transformation or a call to action. So it's really easy, 3 easy steps. What that does, if you include it that way, it not only demonstrates what you do, but why you do what you do. And that's what people want to relate to. If you want to learn more about how to deliver a really impactful business pitch, go to janeenvosper.com, book a complimentary strategy call. I'd love to help you get your message out to the world and do it in a confident and firm voice.